This is question 4. At some point during this question I'm going to lose the will to live and stop and then do it in 2 parts, I think. Here's some genetics, anthem position and whatever style. So we've got the A's and we've got the T's. So gene A, which has got 2 alleles, big A and little a. Gene T, which has got 2 alleles, big T and little t. And so a pure breeding, so that's going to be homozygous for long and low. So long is big T and it's pure breeding. So long and low is going to be big T, big A, big A. And then we're crossed with plants that were homozygous recessive for both characteristics. So these other plants are little t, little a's. And as expected, all the F1 they're going to be heterozygous and have 1 copy of each. Here we go. Right. So this is pretty standard. So long and low, that was our big T's, big A's. Put these letters together like this, it makes it a lot simpler. And we've got little versions there. Gametes. Well, a gamete will have 1 copy of every gene. So the only possibility we've got here is it's a big T and a big A. Here's a little t and a little a. I tend to put a circle around them like that. They belong together. F1 genotype, well, it's that crossed with that, so it's going to be a big T and a little t, a big A and a little a. These is a self-cross, so they will cross together, big T, little t, big A, little a. Gametes. Well, we need a T and an A, but which one? It's entirely random, so the possibilities are big T and big A, big T, little a, and a little t with a big A, little t with a little a. And the same here. Big T, little a, little t, big A, little t, little a. And then you need to make a Punnett square. Model answer video, so I'll try and make it slightly neater. So a Punnett square is a square or a rectangle. I'm going to put gametes up there and gametes down here. I need 4, so if I divide it into 2 and then 2 again, divide this into 2 and then 2 again. That, my friends, is how you make a neat looking table without measuring it. We're going to put these guys there and these guys down there. Big T, big A, big T, little a, little t, big A, little t, little a. And the same there. Big T, big A, big T, little a, little t, big A, little t, little a. And now you just add these up. So 2 big T's, 2 big A's. So put them back together again. 2 big T's, big A, little a. And I'm following the convention of putting the capital one first. This is big T, little t, big A, big A. Big T, little t, big A, little a. And so on. 2 big T's, big A, little a. two big T's, two little A's, big T, little t, big A, little a, big T, little t, two little A's, big T, little t, two big A's, big T, little t, big A, little a. Enjoying this so far? I know I am. Two little T's, big A, little a. You can get a bit sloppy with this sometimes and make mistakes. Let's hope not today. Big T, little a, little a. Little t, little a, big A, little a. And the last one is little everything. You could go through this table now and link the genotypes that you've got here to phenotypes. Or you could put them all in the right order down there. Anything else got big T in it is going to be long. Yeah, anything that's got big T in it is going to be long. So, long, 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 not long. So that is going to be short, short, long, long, short, short. Okay. Anything with a big A is going to be low. Okay. So low. Anything with a big A, low, 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 high. Big A is low, high, low, 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 high, low, and high. So you might be able to do it quicker than me using better abbreviated words. But here we can sort of see our ratios. We can see we're going to have how many long and lows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's already fitting into our ratio. So F2 phenotypes. So this is what they look like. We've got the full range here. So we've got long and low. Long style low anther. We've got long and high. We've got short and low. Short and low. And we've got short and high. If that makes sense. Oh, if I can stay alive long enough. F2 genotypes. Well, we could link these together. So it's wanting us to list all of these possible long and low kind of genotypes. So we've got the fully homozygous one. So big T's, little A's. But you could have heterozygous for either or both. So heterozygous for either, big T, little t, big A, little a. Or that was the both, and we've got the either one, so big T, little t with big A's, or big T's with... So those are the possibilities. Long and high, well, if it's going to be high, it's got to be two little A's. So it's got to be little A, but it could be, for long, it could be homozygous for that or heterozygous for that. And the other way around here, if it's short, it's got to be little t's, but the low, remember the low is dominant, so it could be that or heterozygous. And on its own, this last one, short and high, always, the only possibility is homozygous recessive for both. And when you count these up, we can count 9 of these. And these possibilities, so let's long and low, 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 long and low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we've got 9 of those. Long and high, long and high, long and high, long and high, long and high. So we've got 3 of them. Short and low. I've run out of highlighters. Short and low. So short and low, short and low, short and low. So there's 3 of them. And the last one. The last one, we've got 1 of them. So that is our cross. I think I'll do that on the next video.